Every brand has mistakes and misfires. You can't just say the brand is shitty because something happens. Y'all aren't professionals. If I wasn't a professional, would I be wearing this awesome shirt? So I thought, buddy. Today we're going to be testing out two different ammo brands. The Winchester, 300 rounds of it, and the Aguila, also 300 rounds of it, to see which one has more duds per box. Starting with Winchester rounds, 300 rounds first. Let's see how many duds can have it.
Oh.
Bro, that same shit happened from the range.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh my god.
bro. There we go. Fuck.
Oh my god.
Literally, dude. There it is, the Winchester.